myself Amit Kumar, working as an assistant professor in Civil Engineering Department, RPIT Technical Medical Campus. Today we are going a new topic on types of bricks in masonry construction. Based upon the manufacturing process, the bricks are classified into two categories. First one is sun-dried unburnt bricks and second is burnt bricks. So first one is what is sun-dried bricks? Sun-dried bricks or unburnt bricks are less durable and these are used for temporary structure purpose. Unbrick preparation involved in three steps. They are preparation of clay, molding and drying. After molding, bricks are subjected to sunlight and drying using heat from sun. So they are not so much strong and there are less water resistance and fire resistance. These bricks are not suitable for permanent structure. Second is burnt clay bricks. Burnt clay bricks are good quality bricks, however they also consist some defected bricks. So burnt brick classified into four types. So first one is first class bricks, second is second class brick, third one is third class brick and fourth is fourth class brick. First class bricks are good quality bricks compared to other classes. They are molded by table molding and burnt into a large skillet. These bricks having standard shape, color and smooth edge surface. Second class brick, which are shown in figure, these are in moderate quality and molded in ground molding process, and these bricks are manufactured in burnt in kilns. But because of ground molding, they do not have smooth surface as well as sharp edges. They have also irregular due to unevenness in ground. They are also give best result in strength and durable. Smooth plastering are required for these type of bricks. Second is third class brick. Third class bricks are poor quality bricks which are generally used for temporary structure like unburnt bricks. These are not suitable for rainy area and they are ground molded type bricks and burnt in clams. These type of bricks are rough and therefore these are unfair edges. Last is fourth class brick. These bricks are very poor quality and not used bricks in a structure. These are crushed and used as an aggregate for the manufacturing for the concrete. They are also obtained by overburning because they get overheated and over brittle. So they can break easily and not suitable for construction purpose.